Does anyone have any idea where Derek went? No, sir, not yet. That's disappointing.
With your permission, sir, I'd like to deploy search planes and ships.
Permission granted. You have my authorization for full force search.
Thank you, sir.
Also, dispatch Squad 7 to get that informant Alex. I want her in for interrogation. Yes, sir.
Runway 3 left. Cleared for takeoff. Gondolin 1.
What is it?
Alex slipped and is under suspicion. Police have warrants for her arrest and interrogation, but I've moved forward with the plan.
Oh, how wonderful. Just what we need at this stage. I'll inform the boss, but don't do anything stupid yourself. Proceed with the bombing at midnight.
Understood.
Where am I?
Oh my, I haven't seen a soul for ages. Where might you come from, little child?
I was kidnapped and woke up here.
You can rest up at my place. I'll take you back to the mainland tomorrow morning.
I wish this was over with. Sir, you need to see this. Luckily, the building wasn't occupied, but firemen are saying that the structural support is rapidly crumbling. I wonder if this is related to... Watch out! Everyone, out of the way!
It's done.
Good. The boss will be pleased.